The great thing about HR is it's diverse. All organizations and all industries use HR. You can take your formal education in HR and actually create a unique place for you in an industry that you find of interest. Some of the ways we do that is through our internships and our co-ops. We've had our HR students intern at PNC, PPG, UPMC, Pitt, Ohio, and with a variety of senior living facilities and healthcare facilities. The HR management program at Point Park truly is unique. It is a business degree. My master's in human resource management actually became a business philosophy for me. I really enjoy bringing in my experience and what I like to refer to as war stories, because I think it really brings that education to a different level. And my role is to bring that additional information above and beyond the textbook. I believe the class belongs to students, whether that is on ground or online. Our students have access to us at a higher rate and at a more personal rate than they would in a larger university. I am always available online for my students. We use the most current LMS system. I get notifications on my cell phone. You're going to have immediate response within 24 hours. Our emphasis is that you will have an education that's truly going to launch you on a successful career. There are many career opportunities. Probably 70 or more % of our seniors actually have full-time employment in HR prior to graduation. Big reason for that is they actively engage in all the opportunities that Point Park has to offer them.